Hi there and welcome to the second video in this Squarespace blog tutorial series. So in this video, let's see how we can create our website. And if you're not watching this video in the playlist, make sure you watch it in the playlist so that you can watch every video consecutively. And the playlist link is in the description below. So the first thing I want to do is I want to create a site. And to create a site on Squarespace, you can just click create site. And the next step, of course, is for you to choose a template. So if you come here, you can choose blogging templates, which are available here. And this is a nice one and it's also popular. So you can start with this one actually. And you can also check out all the other options that are available. And you can also find templates from older versions of Squarespace. So I'm using version 7.1 and these are the templates that are for 7.1. And I'm going to choose this one. Start with Paloma. I'll need to give my site a name and I want this to be a blog. Let's say I'm creating a marketing blog. So let me just call it Ricky's marketing blog. And then I'll click continue and you can go through all these steps just to see how you can create pages and do all these other things. And I'm just going to skip all this for now. I don't want to deal with that. And as I said, I'm using version 7.1 and if you want to see the version of Squarespace that you're using, come here under help and you'll see I'm using version 7.1. And there's this assistant here, which you can use to see all the help tips and tutorials that will help you create your site. But for me, I don't want to use it. So I'm just going to disable it here under the help settings. So in this video, you've seen how you can create a website. And that's the first thing we're going to do. In the next video, just come here, we'll come here under pages and then we'll see how we can delete all these pages and then create them again so that you have a clear understanding of how you can create any website blog using any template. So that's what we're going to do in the next video. We're just going to come here under pages and we're going to see how we can create all these different pages, how to delete them and anything else that we'll do in that video. So watch the video in the playlist. Make sure you're watching it in the playlist so that you can watch all the videos consecutively. And I'll see you in the next video when we continue from here.